Hello guys, I'm in my room. As you can see, I want to show you something what my mother bought me. So yeah, let's get into it. I guess she bought me rugby cards. As you can see, Rassie Erasmus, the coach. Then Peter Steve the toy. So there's multiple, as you can see. Okay, Steve, Colby, another Colby, another Colby, another Colby, another Colby, Ron Orkia, another Ron Orkia, R.G. Snyman, another Canon Moody, Sasha. So there's multiple of cards, as you can see. There's the Esterhazen, another one. Look on your arm. Multiple of these. Then when add a roll back, only one Mampimpi, guys. Can you explain that? Only one. Why? All of these cards is multiple. Let's put it in their own group, I think. Like Sasha is not one, but like only one Makazole Mampimpi, guys. So yeah. So then it goes back. Rassie Erasmus, Steve, then Colby, then yeah. I'm gonna show you the full pack when I got it. Guys, this is the full pack. Subscribe, like, peace out.